Okay, thank you tanda saja. Ini kama ni shoes do dora, modela tanda saja. Ela dore ro, andela tanda mixing ki ngoti wine so tanda ani taste che da de kale ani khala de ngoti ni gap chilo sa ro. De do do so ye.
Headlights on the highway. If you only knew, being back here always makes me think of you. When the world is sleeping, do you think of me? With the road ahead's coming back again, coming back to me. I remember the long drives, the late nights in your car. I remember it all. Windows down, empty streets. You were all I used to know. You and I, forever, forever ago. And you used to drive me home.
Okay, tanga zo tanda lesson ro saja tanda company gi mingla Veritas Winery resha ro a dela tanda wine mangbuji koran sugi sugyo sare ro ti koran sugi shinga nanglo la wine condition sugyo me khari sugyo me ro adi tharingi nyendung nanglo la tongre ro detio pabe do dela customer drop off handicap parking for the high vehicle parking di motorcycle do resha tanga zo ni pha do de da tanda dinima 통구래 고란수기 와인디 가리게라 싱도 그래서 오케이 네. 그 군좀 됐어. 오, 다데. 이제 뭐 군좀 답시 군주기. 좋아. 군좀 답시. 이제 뭐. 다 페이지 군좀기 와인 수기였어. Welcome to Winery. The winery is open today. So what we thought we would do is give everybody Okay, the 거기 메뉴. 근데 로스에다 정말 직접해서 근데 하다가야 됐어. Veritas Virginia Governor Cup Gold Medal winner 됐어. 이제 정말 드링 스토어였어. 아니 saya dirasha sandwich and wraps salad okay kunzu goji tanda website di dirasha ro Veritas la dirasha ro andela kunzu gi wines ta and wine gi experience ta ani changsa event do sene digidora okay dadi koranzu gi tanda wine sosa dirasha ro tang azu tanda kunzu gi tanda chilo singala do sene koragya chekolasa ngi nabaso dengora ta di tanda winery di kuranso nangmi rangi resha ro ani konjogi wine khade soyeme ro ani kuranso do chashana production da marketing da changma kuranso susu nangmi rangi chegilo ro ondi yabudo sto ro hadini do de yozo okay tanga zo ma tanda wine gi tanda susu den do de ma nalo ju de timakai zo wine gi oh ta de kiudo changsing des ta di kozo gi tanda wine susu de resha ro wine course ta de la tanga zo chang soyo ro jiba do re okay ta di kozo gi tanda machine resha ro machine resha this dela tanda koransu wine tanda pajo di red wine resha and di tanda white wine gi society resha ro ta di chama tanda store chesa resha wine da timada da shingi timada oj kai da idon yusapshi da they store the wine
yeah?
This
is the barrel.
Where the wine
right now wine is inside, right?
Red wine.
This
is all red wine.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Dela konzo changsa gyasa wedding do sosa resha dela konzo do de konzo changsa mamu gyasa da de changsa
So membership wine is ready here. 3 bottles.
They also membership because you wine
Wine club.
wine club. And they also kala lunch tarik do ra. And they control get this. They do. The love lunch da. And the wine they do chazang Quran so rangni tungi re ra. Wine sama Quran so rangi tungi do ra. Red wine, white wine sama. And chikala tanda Quran so get tanda wine di ani club do so wine club. They la tanda kunzu ge ani club la register chiwe na ani kunzu ge wine bottle tende pasu kugi do. Oh tende do resha. Okay, jimbela jishin do dos dikare.
Farmers.
Andela tomato che gajar ready.
Ani ribongila. Ndada farmers lan ndere yo namine.
Ale. Oh. Strawberry. 이거랑 섞이 답게 인기라.
그것도 시각이 정말잖아. 이게 거의 없다. 나랑 얘도 아, 집에도 내가. 뭐야? 이제 공간 보여. 그동안에 짐 정리도 사는 거래 왜
Okay, tanda number 2 la information 직접 samso. anda Quran sugi tanda saja di kyondom eka nigya tamadu ro. Dinalo la kunzu shinga tabya che ani wine sosa di number 2 ten so wala. Ani wode de do resha. Mune saja hang sa chembudu. Tanga zo kunzu tanda shinga nanglo do sini koragega tigi la so dos number 2 la. Ani 땡땡이 치고라. 조디 Quran sugi 퉁게라는 민도 와인디 군tum로 와가지고 군tum랑기 수요도로 다이 군tum들이랑 남시 쉬었다고도 남시 베나차시나 데라 콘조닝지 티식 참점 깔레카부 책이었어 가진 나와 있나 쿠란 속에 단다 아주기 버지니아기 남시들라 티식 샤제 요교다 데데 인도 갑술라니 군tum라야 나자 몸부지 갭디 교서라 안델라 혼주기 조선 타워 되죠 맨 루야 저다 타나 신기 담다 치고 되죠 혼데레샤 안 쿠란소도 차샤와이나 난다 와인디 아니 워지니기 예라 기마도 책이 들어와 첨부 매 춘지 매 기마랑 차이도 당아주 당다데 신가 군중 답사 혼주기 맨 퉁겐디 다가라로 디 답서들라 된 아주 도시니 도심베강이 라소아니 두 스토로 조데 카르나 수수기 총다 대화직 자두급슬 나다 대파로 총기 대화 카르통슬나 코저도 차샤와나 디스트리뷰터 라우라 디스트리뷰터 민도 다나시 얘기 있단다 라게기 잘라 뭐보 가리 여바이네 디스트리뷰터 요마르다 나라 랑기 땅아이나레 내자상 알아랑이 치고로 온디래 아니 냠도 아니 쿠란솔라 멤버도 있어 다데 온디 아이디어 등에 약부도 스톤서로 니기 난다 치수제니 온디 알아랑기 탄다 총문나노라 락레 치고 삼송 라소 당조데 이 참아 쿠란속이 신가 차루도 로 신가 나노라 조디 군tum 답교사레 주명이 백히다. 알레 샤워기 사기. 디 한다. 고좀 나포르시. 고좀 나포르시 디요. 디니 마차상 고좀 나포르시. 도와. 네.
This line here is the cordon. Cordon is a French word and it means ribbon, like cordon bleu. Have you heard of that? No. Okay, so it's a ribbon. But these are the same grapes, they're just going through veraison. See, they're just turning. And soon they will be completely black. Yeah. This is called the canopy.
Canopy.
And these are called catch wires. So the catch wires, as it's growing, you go like this and put the wires up.
Okay. 이 전달 관리가 지유에서
Next to protect.
So when the fruit becomes ripe, they will put the nets up.
Okay, so that it
Yeah.
won't fall on the ground.
No, so that the birds and the bear and the squirrels and the turkeys, they
This
don't
color-
protect
Its
it.
color change later on black.
Yes.
This,
But not this one. This is secondary. This is too late. This nothing here is.
Oh,
Yeah, only the cordon. We
okay, okay,
harvest nothing up here.
okay.
Yeah, yeah.
네 건조기 칼라스 돌아도 사기면서 다든죠. 건조기 와든죠 망치 디치글라스 제인. 네, 좀더 디쳐도 와. 완전히 샤다 와인기 팜 나와.
Great Tibetan. This is Cabernet Franc. Do you see how different they look? Like from a distance, you kind of see that the bunches are riper already. They're more ripe than those because this is a different grape. And they're bigger bunches, and they're looser. They're not so tight. Do you see?
Yeah, that one was tight.
Yeah,
Respect, yeah.
yeah. So it's just a different grape. It's very different. But and for me, I can see the leaves are different.
Okay.
I know.
How many years these trees can survive?
100. Yeah, they're vines.
Lucy.
These are for because we have sheep.
Millie.
썩이야 썩다. 이제 이제
You know,
다시
in Christianity, the English, you know, Christianity, the religion. The donkey took the Virgin Mary, who
Okay.
had baby Jesus, and all donkeys. The donkey took the Virgin Mary. Do you see on the back of every donkey? There's a cross. Do you see that cross?
Yeah.
That's a story. They say that that's because donkeys carried the Virgin Mary, which is the cross on their back. Yes. Every
Natural
donkey.
colour, right?
Yeah, natural. And see, the black one has it too. Every donkey in the whole world has a cross on its back.
Okay.
First time.
Yeah.
달라 언니.
Yeah.
소비도 계속
But it's just a story. Yeah, maybe it's true, maybe it's not.
But it makes sense.
뭐 세대. 이네 봐 간데 먹어서 빵 거르다 찾아. 어디지 사가던데 아 사자. 애가 이게 열려서 네 찾아지 내 추되었대. 강 청마도 와. 근데는 뭐 청마. 야, 이 전부 되게 아마 안돼.
Yeah, but it's not for eating. The crop here is underground, and we have inoculated these roots with something called tuber melanosporum, and that's a truffle, a black truffle. Do you know what that is? Yeah. So these are truffles.
Okay.
Okay, these are now 5 years old, and the fruit is under the ground. It's not above the ground, so we don't eat this. We're growing the crop underground here. And these trees are all, truffles grow, their reproduction, they need a male and a female, so they need, like this one, this tree here might like that tree all the way over there. And the babies are here, but it needs that tree over there. Like
Okay.
there's a lot of choosing in this little.
So the roots are connected.
The
right?
roots are connected, and the fungi is connected.
Got it.
Yeah, and so this fruit comes in January. So in January we bring dogs, not pigs. Now in France they do pigs to go truffle hunting, right? Here we do dogs. We have not had one truffle yet because it's still so new. It's only 5 years old.
And generally, what's the time? What's the duration for the truffles?
January.
January. How
Yeah.
long does it take for a truffle to grow? And
Right. Well, this case 5.5 years, but once they start producing fruit, it's forever.
then why do you inoculate it with the hazelnut?
No.
brown.
These are hazelnuts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And why?
Why? All right. So there's 3 trees: the hornbeam, the oak tree, and the hazelnut. Those roots can be hosts for the tubermelanosporum, which is the fungus that grows on the roots.
Yeah.
And so we got the tubermelanosporum, which is the Perigord truffle. We got that and we inoculated in plant pots the root, and then we planted the trees, and then we now have a pure population of tubermelanosporum.
Okay, this is the company in Jumhand. I'm a Taviaski, Nimadishima, Timbal Timsa, the punk and give to what's your go?
Yeah. So this fruit will never go black. Okay. This is white wine.
And how do you know it's ripe?
It's tasting it. You can see the birds start to eat it.
That means it's
yeah.
salt. Yeah.
Yeah. And now we stop spraying as soon as that. So we don't spray when the vines are getting ripe because we want to keep them.
This one safety though. Simji the
White one.
white white wine.
Na kuch hai umarless.
One thing you have to know is that all wine, when you open it, even red grapes, if you open red grapes, the juice is white. Do you see? It's clear. Right. Even red grapes, the juice is clear white. It's not red. There is no red juice. The thing that makes wine red is the skin.
Yeah.
Skin. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I'm gonna go. The thing is, give us some of the shit. The coin, the more the shake so. Gundum Napo in a re, cow in a re, Cody, Namguchu, Don Nashi restaurant. The Gundum, the red wine Karicholana, Honzogi Gundum gate, now Papa, that someone to skew cheerlight. White wine, the Anita, the Digi Coach Butango. One the restaurant, the day and knowledge sour to the number so young. Shintobaina. Tadi Peje, Morangi, now inside. Okay, tanda di nang di mora nang marisha de la khunzu gi farm de tagali du gepsu ya de R&B type da restaurant imaji lo mutu ge restaurant tu ge kipsing game to do under the living room village and there che
Just go and take a look at one of the rooms and just go like 2 or 3 at a time. So while we're still here. Yeah.
okay cookies da sama shadu da oh dia tablo sado village and there's a tablo sado restaurant ani dela khonzogi nigang jusare do terum chiresha 또 한대 기도 그런데 니들이 당아줘 내가서 됐어도 찍어도 라 오, 티카레 와우 오케이 자자 정말 내셔 자주 같이 오네 또 와우 아마 닝젤 상주 수부주사 해디니 상주도 오케이 cool oh the any room the le na khuzugi wine bottle chiksha shade white star the wine the glass shas do ani de opener the keep thought in case emergency evening they phone down da wow ne de le room ji do de sedara wow Religion, the delay than the wine bottle shasha. A decoran so did snatching a lasso and deal the farm taga than the legura, Yam do young, Susanamium the day in the room, book chair to R&B Laura, changing $1 to garish, and the la Horanzugi cookies, sama shashara, and coffee sewing machine. The door, the someone do that. Wow. The room
de la gomo.
Oh, the room that. Keep the hundred. I'm a view. Then my party garage. Wow, Deni lale chinde ja, lale chinde wine di kachero, and those made yutan deja. Wow, can you give that? Do. One hang sign read that, and Della Tanda couldn't sugi. Sangju da Chugan di map up today. Map hamne, and Della couldn't sugi. La Patusa, Samaduro, and Della Tanda farmhouse shower cap, Ransorangi. Sushaguresha. Oh, Sanji. Dicari. Anne della tanda tologi sato in sar. Do. Anne di shower resha. Do. Amade, deni mana view khande chot. View chot. Do. Della tanda de parde de mambu charge. Do. Wow. Chutun sada cookies.
Yeah, get with you.
Number to see that can't keep the wood today. Goncho. Ani tanda moranям도 두시니 계제시에 받아 수수 총 가리 개기요메 가르치기요메 정말 뭐 계제해서 내가 정도 찍다 가르라서 인지기 시에줘라디 정도 쉬우라고 통네. 배워도 항상 돌아. 아무데 아니 뭐 갈랐으나 데니 트래킹 드라이어라스디 레니 컨티뉴스 인더 트랙 드라이어라사 어디 닝제모도 통송 당도 다다 니파 와인 그런 속이 창지로 니 좋았다 다가 줘야겠다 레드 와인 화이트 와인 가리는 창지로 어디서 다가 줘야 돼 오케이 네 다다다 빵도 답셔도 건쳤어 너 네 빵도 답셔도 너 신동다다 안돼 깁도 되나 너 아마마게 당어서 다다 와인 테스트가 돼야라 그런서 다다 컨셉 디펜딩 좀 또. 그래서 와인기 소라 요래데 해내래 건조기 와인기 가와가와를 두르래죠. 디 차상수 베네델 카페 두르 아니 건조 창사 갸사기 홀지 소시다 와인디 거 두르래 창사 갸사 홀 두르 아니 상알로 두르 카페를 두르 어디래 sta 건조기 디스트리뷰터 제메교 소소 랑기 총투도 종하죠. 마케팅 프로덕션 차장 그런 소랑기 치기더라. 때문에 항상 이래샤. 로. 네. 아디 버지니아네 주도 제가 슬람가 레셔로 넘어서야 좀 배워 있나. 소소 낭미 틸레네 데서 사자도 좀 백깁도 로 가와 데데도 지레시. 오케이. 나 건조지 로고 디스다. Veritas da the dinamlo the wine the chini and the raw cheers
Tasting. Okay. So we're only going to pour a tiny bit in your glass, and we'll have a dump bucket we'll put in the table. And you just taste it, smell it, drink it if you want to, or dump it if you don't, but it's just a tasting. And I chose 4 wines, 2 whites and 2 reds. And the reason I chose them is so that you can really taste. You saw the wines in the vineyard, and you know what they taste like now. So it's like, if you close your eyes and eat a strawberry, you know it's a strawberry because of the way it tastes. And if you eat a raspberry, you know it's a raspberry with your eyes closed. But when you're new to the palate of wine, you don't recognize the grape. Now, I can open this. I know it's Sauvignon Blanc. I know which grape this is. I know what grape the Viognier is. So it's training your palate and your nose to recognize smells just as you do with everyday fruits, right? So that's the purpose of this. It's not for you to judge the wine, whether it's good or not. It's just for you to taste the differences and smell the differences. So I'll pour a small amount and then we'll move on. All right?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yes. And so Sarah's just giving you... My hands are too sweaty.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'll come down.
Tadi tanda wine too much number tambo kari timar de to vodka tomato koy tunga okay yeah cheers
He's missing. We have one person missing.
oh stone do 되게 good taste good 극디 매겨지와
너무 매쪽 같은 거 이렇게 막 무슨 하고 있는데 심지어 가리 나송 좀 심긴지
좋아 the description 상대에도 뭐게 와인 가지고 tasting namku tasting line rola nishu redda white rose red
So this wine is really smells like, what does it say here?
tastes good
So it's acid. It's highly acid. This particular grape. Cut grass, like when you first mow grass, it smells like that. Green apples, pears, and citrus. So obviously none of that is in your glass, but that's what your palate picks up. Yes.
it's
You
good
liked it?
yes
It's clean, isn't it? So this is a different grape. We did not see this grape today. Where is it? It's not back there. Viognier, it's on the top. So this grape is called Viognier. Yeah. And it's more aromatic. So this is very crisp, precise, acidic. This is more like aromatic is the word. So it's hard to.
oh thank you
This to me it's like a
tadi ya the logarish aromatic ya kundum loga giresh rodi
marmalade has a little bit of bitterness.
british
It has a tiny bit of bitterness, but it's a quality that is okay with the Viognier grape. If you have bitterness in other grapes, you probably not.
dela dimendo je acid ka jigle so acid mendo dela gas form do limit plain do plain do changdo do the seeds da ji
너네 집에 가면 다 맞추고 나 제만 인비니 테스트 해봐
tomato na lo gai ma
오늘 야
tong juna le
Being polite, you put it to your right, and that makes it.
wine di ende jugo to da judan de moila so namgyu khashi ga so ende juyo marish wine de singo do de singo cheers
It's normal.
cheers
Smell again. Okay, so it's step 1, you smell. Step 2, you swirl it, and then you smell. And step 3, you. Spit. I'm not gonna spit. So you spit, but you pull air in at the same time. And then step 4, you usually just normal swallow. That's 4 steps. That's
okay
tasting. Thank you. Yeah.
red wine
And you see the first 2 wines I poured had a screw cap.
yes
That's because they're white wines and they're not going to be aged. If you make a white wine and you want to lay it down or age it, you put a cork in it. Right? So when you have a cork, it means the wine can be aged. If you have a screw cap, it's drink now. It's like, so when we make Sauvignon Blanc, you drink Sauvignon Blanc this year. So if you harvest Sauvignon Blanc in 2025, it goes into fermentation, it goes into the tank, and then it goes into the bottle, and you drink it in 2026. Do you understand? But these wines, when you see it with a cork, you look and see what year it was picked, and this was picked in 2023. So it's not old, but that number there is the year it was picked. Okay. And then this is Cabernet Franc. Which is the second grape that I showed you. The first grape was Petit Verdot. The second one was more colorful.
Yes.
That was Cabernet Franc.
맞아, 니는 싫어 말이야. 한번 동생이 삼으죠. 오케이, 다 단지 단다 뭐기 똥당 딜랍서. 네, 진짜 주당디 니는 주고도다. 근데 네 고라게 정말스는 와. 정말스는 근데 와 동생 당부 동생은 안에 쌀 샤이드 치고데. 그렇지. 지당 조지다 부서다 와인 수행해로 부서하고로 이제 가서 쳐도 다 정말 찍버려도 다 좋아 시다 하고 해면도 정말 찍버려도 창 돌리죠 마디가 this 그렇게 사도 그래도 그렇게 사도 사진 찍는 거네. 디티식 디도다. 크디도다. 슉슉 바우로스.
kamu ngene ndechine kuti ya temasa timanu
Cheers. It's very dry. Like dry. When you talk about wine, if you say it's dry, it means it's no sugar. That's what dry means. But the other use of the word dry is when it goes in your mouth and the tannins, you cannot taste tannins, you feel them. Like if you eat a banana and you pull off that little thing, and you put it in your mouth, it makes your mouth go like, banana skin.
Yes.
That's because the tannin in the banana skin immobilizes your saliva. So your saliva goes, and then your mouth is like so dry. That dry, that's tannin. You cannot taste it, you feel it. Yeah. So this has tannin, and that's why when you have this, you have it with red meat, because the red meat and the tannin go really nicely together. Yes. Yeah. But it's not dry like no sugar, it's dry like, yeah. That means is that the crew go out and they'll pick Merlot, and the winemaker will make the Merlot, and then they'll pick Petit Verdot, and the winemaker will make the Petit Verdot, and then they'll pick Cabernet Franc, another tank of Cabernet Franc, and then at the end she'll go and taste each tank, and she'll say, okay, 20% Merlot, 40% Cab Franc, 30%, you know, like till it's 100%, and she blends the wines. So this is a blend. So this is called reserve. Yeah. So it's a blend.
Blend.
Just empty that for me.
The blend.
A blend. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. This red wine, this niche and white wine is time. This was stone to get me, so we use that. Gandhi the taste to kill how woman to chip doors. Chili this story, sir.
Chili this.
I want to draw chick the storage.
Last direction of
당보 대야보다 하길라. 내 당보 될라.
당보등도 차원에 내로 돼 있겠다.
당보도 acidic 도와.
그거들 에세드 쇼츠엘리.
이거들 acidic 요만.
So, first of all, on the front label, understanding this when you get into the supermarket, the biggest thing on the front label is always the brand. So, Veritas is our brand. And so Veritas will be on the label, and then that's our logo. The next thing on the label is the name of the grape that's in the bottle. Yeah. Right. So, yeah. And then underneath that, on this label, you see it says Monticello. That's your AVA. In America, AVA means American Viticultural Area. So we are Monticello, which is Thomas Jefferson. That's his home. It's called Monticello. We are Monticello. You probably heard of Napa. Yeah, Napa is an AVA. Or you've heard of Sonoma County. That's an AVA. So it's where you live, right? And so, and it's illegal, and it's defined very carefully which area you're in. If you see the AVA on the bottle, it means all of the grapes in this bottle are grown in that American viticultural area. And in this case, we could also write here estate grown, because we grow our grapes here. So if you see estate, it means the winery grew the grapes and made the wine, right? But in this case, we did, but we don't. It's one more piece of information, right? So that's that. Always on the front, it has to have the year that it was picked. So that's the year that the wine was picked, not the year that it was put in the bottle, right? Yeah, that's the year it was picked. And then on the other side is the alcohol content. All these things have to be on the front of the bottle. Anything can go on the back, but this has to be on the front. Now because some wineries would prefer just to have a beautiful picture on the front, they say that this is their front label, right? And so they put that information on the back instead of on the front. They say that's your front label, but of course that is your front label. That's what people see. So that was just so you understand what you're looking at in the store. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. So I want to ask, what's the story behind this name, where your company name, Vitara?
Veritas.
What does it mean?
It means truth.
Truth.
In Latin.
In Latin, it means truth.
In truth, yes. So in vino veritas, in wine is truth.
Oh.
Yeah. But we got the name and we patented it and registered it. It's our name. Nobody else.
Nobody can use.
Yeah, it's ours. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. Capsule. Because it's not meant to age. It's for drink now. So this is a blend, but it's slightly sweeter.
That is the red star. The cafe nangloni the yakshula medu bestseller is red star. So let's check it out. Red star. 아무리 좋아. 다 드신 보였어. 다. 드신 뭐다. 아무 데데 혼자라서 베스트셀러 시갈 아무제 지갈 공배. 지갈 미망아 동다. 상마. 아무리시. 나도 당보디랑 가스. 디 가서. 고모도 먹고 가서.
Yeah, a little bit of sugar goes a long way. So this does have sugar.
디 나노라 슈거 티스 요사라 어진 티스. 다디 포모도 좀 망부 가우치서다. Good. Dire shakunjoji. Let's start like.
Yeah, let's start.
Let's start.
Do you have some?
Okay, let's 당아서 다리 데라 오늘 냠용 사와 망보 도시네 사와 망보 통소 사와 망보 신소 아니 수구디식 빌싱 되어지 쳤다. 하고다. 와인 시스 스트라이치로 디스테 이제 육치다. 얘네를 뺏기고 총소 라 아니데 라서 아니 디년동데 다가랑 참샤오라 안타만들랑랑 소체 디진이 겸네 겸물무지 구제 깨게 봐도 텐토바다 벽단다 경는 뉴르 세드 이게 참지 자신면도 쉬우유 와우 수부 유구도 돼 욱
Windows down.